Hi, I'm Brooklyn Howell, and I'm from Spartanburg, South Carolina. I'm currently a physical education teacher at an elementary school. I enjoy my job, and I don't really have any major career plans that are different from where I'm at now. I don't see myself leaving being a PE teacher anytime soon, but I do like the opportunities that having this degree could give me if I felt called or felt needed to switch careers or go higher up the ladder in my current career. Just kind of see what happens, I guess. And my things that I like to do for hobbies or in my free time, I would have to say hiking. I do love to hike and mud runs or 5Ks. If you hadn't heard the Spartan races, that's probably my favorite one to do. I've even got stuff behind me. This was the last one I did, Spartan race, and those are pretty fun, pretty different from a lot of people I know that do, but I'm sure people out here in kinesiology do those things. That's really all I got. Bye.